Helo, Mara dwi. Diolch yn fawr iawn i ti pawb am gael fi'n rhan o'i sesiynau byw nhw. I'm Mara, thank you to pawb for letting me be part of the live sessions. Dwi'n mynd i fod yn perfformio chydig bach ganeuon i ffwr o fy album cyntaf unigol. I'm going to be performing a few songs from my first solo album. So sit back and enjoy! Enw'r gân gyntaf ydy Yr Reddf. Ti'n cymryd fod yn meddwl i'n gil am twyllo fod yr un syniadau gennym ni Enw'r gân nesa yma ydy Over Again. This next song is called Over Again and it's also from the debut album. Over and over again I take trips to the past with my friends. We go round like the ring on my thumb never ends, just over and over again. I step back to the body I was. We drink beers till we're drunk just because. And although I'm okay, I'm not sure what to say, 'cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. 'Cause that part of me is going away. Over again. hearts to suggest that the ones we let go are the best. No one will know me too well, except the songs I have written myself. So when I have to leave, I'll just take off my ring, 'cause I'll always have my songs to sing. Over again. Blessed wrth gael dy wynt, teimlad ysgyfaint yn llenwi'n gynt. Ma' 'na wahaniaeth yn y ffordd da ni'n anadlu, mewn dinas a phentref bach ger y môr yng Nghymru. Caru'r cynhesrwydd sy'n cyd-fynd ymlaen, ond rhaid yma dail weithiau i fywyd gael parhad. Does na'm llawer i mi wneud yn fama, ond dyma'r awyach dwi'n gael mewn adref. Sa'i bach o'r ddinas sy'n rhy wyllt i mi ar adegau, yn y pendawnau symud nôl dwi'n amen. Ba-ba-da-da. Dy'r byd mawr allan yno ddim yn ddisgwyl, rhaid mi fynd nôl unwaith eto cyn mynd swyl, yn ôl i brysurdeb dinas lle ma' nhw'n cadw amser. Yn y pen draw dwi'n siŵr fyddai di magu hyder. Does na'm llawer i mi wneud yn fama, ond dyma'r awyr iach dwi'n gael o'r adref. Sa'i bach o'r ddinas sy'n rhy wyllt i mi ar adegau, yn y pendrawnau symud nôl dwi'n Cool. Enw'r gân nesaf yma di Y Drefn, a hon sy'n cymryd teitl yr album. This next song is called The Drefn and it takes the title of the album. Cymer ddrws a chymer glo. I adael bwthyn bach y fro. Nes i rioed gael cymryd cam i fewn, ond dyna ni fel y mae y drefn. Cymer wr a graig neu o, a hynny'n amser maith yn ôl. Nes i rioed gael ei cwmni go iawn, ond hel meddyliau cynnes llawn. Ond dyna ni fel y mae y drefn. Mae'r hein corn yn cyrraedd sgwrs dal byth i ben. Dyna ni fel y mae y drefn. Yn byw a ffoi heb adael y hoelen yn y pren. Cymer wynebau cyfarwydd clef, y cwbl sa'n awr di mynd yn hen. Peth mor od ydi hiraeth am yr hai, nath y llwybr bywyd i byth gyfarfod. Ond dyna ni fel y mae y drefn. Mae'r hein cwrdd yn cyrraedd sgwrs dal byth i ben. Dyna ni fel y mae y drefn. Yn byw a ffoi heb adael hoelen yn y pren. Can newydd sbon nesa, a brand new song, enw fo The Old Words. valued more than momentary letters in the wind. I said it was new, but I actually wrote it a year ago. It just feels like I haven't gigged it at all yet. But yeah. Cool. This next one is called Dal ar y Teimlad, which means hold on to the feeling. I released this in 2018. Nes I ryddhau hon yn 2018 ar label I Ching. A dwi'n meddwl na hon oedd y single cynta I fi ryddhau. Reit, beth sy'n nesa? Y Gwydr Glas. This is a traditional Welsh folk song called Gwydr Glas, which translates roughly to the parting glass. Dyma fy nhrefniant I o y Gwydr Glas. Sydd cyn drymed a'r merch sy'n dringo'r hyd. Wrth geisio bod yn llawen, mi fedrwn yn fy mynd. Yr esgid sy'n fy ngwasgu mewn manasgwyddach. Manasgwyddach chi. Llawer gofid meddwl sy'n torri'n hangon. Cool. Enw'r gan nesaf yma ydy Dos i ffwrdd. Ac wedi neu yn y mewn heb ei gyfan Enw'r gan nesaf yma ydy If I'd Known. Over here, I am standing on the other side. Over here, been forgiven by the ones who tried, stretching out a hand, but now it's too late now to reach. Although my sins are washed away, the shore keeps rolling up the beach. I was weak, not myself, I don't remember this. A troubled soul, caught between myself and those I miss. If I'd go back, I'd change it all. I'd break through the deceiving wall. Heavens, if I'd known the faith that stayed unshown, I'd have such little words to say. But I hope you go better in a way. This has given means to write your songs yet again. It has strengthened seals around your bonds. Be proud of who you have become. It's you against the world. Make the most of who you've got. It'll warm you in the cold. Heavens, if I'd known the faith that stayed unshown, I'd have such little words to say. I hope you go a better way. Heavens, if I'd known the faith that stayed unshown, I'd have such little words to say. I hope you go better That one's also on my album Adrefen, which is out now. So go and have a listen if you're enjoying the set. Da ni 'di cyrraedd y gan ola, wel dwi 'di cyrraedd y gan ola, so neb arall yma. Ond ia, enw'r gan yma ydy Pontydd. A mae yna fideo allan i fi efo dawnswyr really cool ar YouTube, felly ewch i chwilio am hwnna. I've reached the last song and it's called Pontydd, and this was released last August, and there's a really cool video out for it with 2 dancers and rollerbladers, and it's really cool, so go and have a look on YouTube if you fancy. Diolch gymaint am wrando, thanks so much for listening, and I hope you're having a nice Friday night. A diolch yn fawr iawn hefyd i ti pawb am gael fi, mae wedi bod yn neis cael esgus i berfformio eto. Thanks to ti pawb for curating these sessions. I've enjoyed them all and also given me the excuse to do a bit of performing. So yes, this is Pontydd, which means bridges in Welsh, and it talks about building bridges between communities and different cultures. Mae'n arannau ohonom ni sydd yn berthyn i dros y llyn. Nid croes I ffin oedd rhaid mwyn I cyrraedd nhw, ond codi pont uwchben a darbyn llif y dŵr. Codi pontydd fel Mae'n arannau ohono ti.